Hello my dear friends. Today we will discuss propensity to consume. Propensity to consume or consumption function is the functional relationship between consumption and level of income. C is a function of Y. Yes friends, say in the schedule and diagram, when income is 0, consumption is 20. Income is 20, consumption is 30. Consumption is greater than income. Consumption cannot be 0 even when income is 0 because some expenditure is always essential for survival. It is called autonomous consumption. This is done either by using the past saving or by borrowing. So we can say consumption curve start from a point on y-axis. You can see in the diagram. At the level of 40, consumption also 40. Consumption is equal to income. It is shown in the diagram at the point E. It is the break-even point. After break-even point, consumption is less than income. Slope of consumption curve, upward sloping from left to right. There are two types of propensity to consume: average propensity to consume and marginal propensity to consume. Average propensity to consume is the ratio of consumption expenditure to corresponding level of income, C upon Y. You can see in the table, C upon Y, income is 20, consumption is 30, APC 1.5. Then when consumption APC is more than 1, when consumption is more than national income before the break-even point, APC is equal to 1. When consumption is equal to national income, APC is less than 1 when consumption is less than national income after the break-even point. APC falls with increase in income because the proportion of income spent on consumption keeps on decreasing. APC can never be 0 because consumption cannot be 0 even at the 0 level of income. Marginal propensity to consume is the ratio of change in consumption to change in income. How can we calculate it? Change in C upon change in Y. In this schedule, change in consumption is 10, change in income is 20, 10 upon 20, 0.5. Value of MPC varies between 0 and 1. If increased income is either spent on consumption or saved for future use, MPC is 1. When entire increased income is spent on consumption, MPC 0 when entire increased income is saved. So MPC can be between 0 and 1. In our example, it is 0.5. Slope of C function is indicated by MPC. Slope of C function is constant here. It implies that MPC is constant corresponding to all levels of income, such as C function is called linear consumption function. Say in the diagram, linear consumption function, it means that every time there is rise in income, a constant proportion of it is converted into consumption. In our example, MPC 0.5, it means out of every additional rupee of income, 50% is spent as consumption expenditure. Yes, friends, MPC of poor is more than MPC of rich people. MPC of poor countries also greater than MPC of rich countries. MPC falls as income increases because when people become richer, they spend smaller part of increased income on consumption. According to psychological law of consumption, as income increases, consumption increases, but not by as much as the increase in income. Yes, students, here is algebraic presentation of consumption function. C is equal to A plus BY. Here, A is autonomous consumption, B is MPC, Y is national income. Now, one numerical is given. Find out consumption expenditure from the following. Autonomous consumption is given 100 rupees, MPC 0.7, national income is 1000 rupees. We will put the formula C bar plus BY. C bar, A is the same thing. We can use A, we can use C bar. It shows the autonomous consumption. B is MPC, Y is national income. We will put the value 100 plus 0.7 into 1000. It is equal to 800. Numerical may be asked in the exam. Thank you.